Hi guys, welcome back to this amazing channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending from where you'll be watching this video from. My name is Irene, and in case you are coming across to this channel for the very first time, please consider subscribing, liking this video, and also sharing guys this video. So today is around 10 and it's another super special day. I am right here at home. I am doing some work. Yo, I'm telling you. Yeah, I'm from the garden actually, and then I want to do some work right here at home. You see, there's a lot of rain, so these things keeps coming up every single day. So I just want to do but basically I'm going to do the cleaning guys, and then yes, we will call it a day guys. So before we continue, kindly watch this video to the end, subscribe to the channel, and keep liking guys, because that is the better way of supporting me. So you can tell from here our house is very dirty, super dirty. Hey, very dirty. You're from the garden guys, so don't worry. I don't know if there's electricity. Yes. Yeah, so I want to clean the house. Our house looks hey, shagla bagla. Yeah, shagla bagla. Yeah, so I want to clean, then I will show you guys the final results. So kindly subscribe to the channel, and I also want to clean to wipe the chairs. Malaki has some of his friends. Imagine the waiting sugar, and can you see the chairs? I'm going to tell him it is not right. So that is what I'm gonna do today. So first I'm going to start with here. Yeah, and then Malak is not around, so let me just try to fix the camera down here. I don't know. Maybe you'll be able to see me. No, my camera is not. My stand got a problem. The stand got a big problem. The chamber, and this is the pan. So I'm gonna remove all this. Yeah, like this. It is because it is the rain. It is rain season here, so this you remove them today. They grow. They comes out very fast, and they're not like very deep, no. That's what I'm doing today, and later on we will clean the house. want to put it right here, then I mix with water. I want to collect all this water because it has been here for the longest time, and we will fetch. Very dirty down here because I'm wearing the boots. I'm stepping with the boots. So this is what I sent my brother. I sent him the different one, but he brought me this. But I want to do the cleaning, and I will clean the toilet later. There, Chani. Now, see how our sitting room looks like. Very dirty. Super dirty. This one just got finished. This is the remote. I'm gonna put it here. It looks so dirty. Very dirty. But give me some few minutes. I will be done, and the house will be looking beautiful. Meanwhile, this is the kitchen. I'm not yet done. I'm gonna bring the homework and I wipe it nicely. So let us go and start from the living area. It's a hard work, guys. I'm telling you, it's a hard work. Yeah. So because they're not like dirty like last time. So I'm gonna wipe them. Let me show you a little bit for the new friends here. You know, in some countries people use the machines, but here it is very different from your places. Here we don't have machines. You use what you have. You live village way life. Yeah, I don't know if this is gonna. I'm trying to figure if this camera gonna. Yes. Let me put on the lights. Yeah. Yes. My brother's already gone. Hey, Malaki. We call him Malaki. We call him Malaki the footballer. So this is I already showed you the water. It's right here. And already we don't have the homo. So what I do, I put a little of water. Is that even the correct English? Then I do the wiping like this. This time around the chairs are not like so dirty like the other. At least when the homo is there, the house will smell nicely. Hey, but they're dirty. Look at this. Look at this. It's dirty. See? Yes. They're not that like the last time I cleaned them, they were very dirty. So let me just finish and I will show. I'm done with the chest. Can you see the house? Where? It looks very clean. I've been arranging this room. This the bathroom actually. It is not like 100% complete. Yeah, those are my old shoes. Yes, and this is the sprayer. And the phones, I brought them here. I want to wipe here. Let's see. Someone is calling me. Yes, so guys, I am right here at this corner. I am done cleaning the house. Yo, I feel like I'm so tired, but we are done. And this is my lunch. This is tea and rice. It's a lot. I need to oil it. Just a half, then yeah, it's a lot. So this is how the house looks like at the moment. And I want to go and clean the toilet also. And later I'll have to clean my mommy's clothes. Yes, that is the program of today. Yeah. Hey, I'm telling you. So you can see the difference, guys. Now the house smells nice, so clean. So I'm happy. And also right here is our room, me and my sister right here. And also it's not dry yet. This is the kitchen. Yeah, I want to go and clean the toilet with these ones. But before that, let me close that door because of the chicken coming. The women. Yeah, so we want to remove all that water from this. Then we create space. So, hey, I'm telling you, it's a hard work. Yeah. It's what happens when you are in the village. Yeah. Yes. So thank you so much, guys, and kindly keep watching. Can you see the way this place looks like? A lot of water. And I'm trying to collect some water here. Go and clean the house. And we built this courtesy of my subscribers from the scratch. You remember we planted some flowers here. Some have come up. I don't know, some died. Yes. Yeah, like this. Also like this. Yeah. I'm wearing my brother's shoes. Yeah. So some died. And then we have a problem. This fence is going down. You see it is sleeping like that. The iron sheet came out because of the rain. It was so windy. And then this one is going down. So yes, you see, it's going down. And our cow is just resting here. Right here. Yeah. So I want to clean the toilet before it rains. See, the rain is coming. Then we will see, guys. So please keep it locked here, keep subscribing, keep liking the video, and also keep sharing, guys. Yo, guys, it's raining. I had not even cleaned the toilet. Yes, it's raining, but not that much. So I don't know. So we have brought the mattress inside. This is okay for the new friends. who are just changing the channel, or we just changed the channel recently, this is and this house, my subscribers helped me to build this house. Sorry, I was being rained on. It's a 2-bedroom house, and maybe we just changed the channel recently, and maybe you get time, please go watch my other previous videos so that you may understand what I'm talking about. So this is my room and my sister. I need to buy a bed, guys. We don't have a bed yet, and this is the kitchen. So at least I need to sit down and relax a little bit. Then I wait for the rain to stop. Yo, guys, that's been raining. I did not even finish what I was doing. I will finish tomorrow. It's around 5, and the rain has been raining. Is that even the correct English? Yes. So this is home, and we have a lot to be done. A lot needs to be done here. A lot. Yeah, but that is the iron sheet which came from there. It went down because of the rain. So we need to I'm telling you, we need to repair the whole fence now, because you see the crops here. If the animals, like, or if the cow and my goats are being left, like, they can go and hit someone's crops and it will be a problem. So we need to look for a way. All these trees that you're seeing here, all of them, all they're going down. So the whole of this fence needs to be done, like that one, this one, and also that one which is there. That one is good. We're gonna remove those iron sheets, the 3 of them, then we fix them here, because that fence is a little bit better. Yeah. And also the cow, where the cow feeds from, it went down. So we're gonna, like, we have so many things which needs to be done, and I'm just hoping for the best, guys, you know. Yeah, so this is home. I've been doing some work. Yes. So tomorrow we'll continue, because tomorrow is another day. I feel like I'm so tired. Tomorrow is another new day. And then we have been discussing with my mom about the kitchen and where our cow sleeps. So I need to find what is required, the iron, the iron sheets, and the, like, 5 iron sheets, and the nails. The trees, we have the timbers, some timbers remaining there. That's what we are going to use. So at the moment I'm heading to town, because I'm going to upload this video, and then I buy some medicine for my brother. So this is home. Yes, welcome home, guys. So I did not even finish, like I told you, like I wanted to make even here nice. I did not do that because it's been raining, so I will do that tomorrow. So I'm telling you, this fence, you see this one, is a little bit better. So these iron sheets, the 3 of them, 1, 2, 3, we will remove it, and then we're gonna make fence right there. Then we put them there. I know there will not be enough, but we will see what to do, guys. Yeah. So this is where our cow feeds from. All this manure, all of them. We left it to dry, and then the rain has come. It has been really raining in the village. So God is good. I'm going to walk to show you what we are doing at the garden. Then after that, I will be handing the video on the other side. So this one went down like it was bad, and then the kids for the neighbor came. They were playing up here. It went down completely. I am telling you. So welcome home. So this fence, it has come to this side, and we need to. You remember some few days we planted some flowers here. You can see they have grown. So we need to look for a way. So can you see here? It is going like this, like this. Yeah, and the corns really got affected because of the rain and the worms. A lot of rain, it brought some worms. Can you see? I don't know. Yeah, and even this one is coming like this. So that is home. And today we were doing some work here. You can see the difference inside the corns. This one and this one, there's a very big difference. Can you see? Yeah, you have some difference. Yeah, me and my brother Malaki and my mom. So tomorrow we're gonna finish completely. We're gonna come out to the other side tomorrow. Then on this side, the corns did not really perform so better. We want to plant some nebe grass from down here. We have already started out to the other side. Yeah, see, because our cow is really stuffing. Yeah, so this is like here. You see, we already planted some, but we need to come and do some work. So this is home, and I'm right here, and I've come from that side. Yeah, guys, I guess you can see the difference between here and here. These ones, and this. So from next week you'll see a difference from here. We want to come from down here up here. Yeah, so don't worry. And this one, they fixed the roundup right here. That's why you can see some grass are like drying yellowish. You see, they put the roundup. Yeah, so that is it, guys. Yeah, so I want to hurry to town to go very fast because it is getting late. Let me just end this video right here. But before I do that, I'm really hoping that you guys have enjoyed this video from the start up to the end, and I'm requesting for your support, guys. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly consider subscribing, liking this video, and also sharing this amazing video, guys. So and after watching this video to the end, please leave a sweet comment down below on what you think about this video. So thank you so much. See you in my next video, guys. Bye bye.